Why do you want to sell your house when the housing supply is low? Well, let me explain something. Right now in our area, there are 973 homes on the market. Last year, 1 year ago today, there was 1,496 homes on the market. That is a difference of 523 homes. So what is the market saying? The market is begging for you to sell your house. And that's just the facts. There are more buyers than there are sellers. So when inventory is low like that, your house is going to be in the spotlight. And so buyers really need more options right now, and your house may be the house they're looking for. And it will also get the center of attention. It will possibly sell fast, maybe even get multiple offers. So if you want to sell right now and know that the market is begging for your house, let's work together. Let's get it listed at the right price, because that's important, so that an eager buyer can snap it up. Call me.